Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Kyotokan. I'm Ryusei. Today I'm going to talk about soy sauce. Soy sauce is an essential seasoning for Japanese. In Japan, soy sauce is called shoyu and written by like this. In this video, I'll explain about two types of shoyu. These soy sauces are called Koikuchi shoyu and Usukuchi shoyu. First, this is thick soy sauce, which is called Koikuchi shoyu, and written by like this. Koi means deep and thick. And this is light soy sauce, which is called Usukuchi shoyu, and written by like this. Or like this. And usu means pale and light. These soy sauces are a very important part of Japanese food culture. Shoyu adds Japanese-like to dishes. If you can distinguish Koikuchi and Usukuchi, you can enjoy Japanese food more and more. So I'll explain as in detail as possible. Yes, let's go! This is Koikuchi. Probably if you ask Japanese people, please give me soy sauce. Almost Japanese people give you Koikuchi. Because Koikuchi is the most popular soy sauce in Japan. And the color of Koikuchi is literally dark brown. On the other hand, the color of Usukuchi is pale and light. The looks are completely different. Also suddenly, I ask you one question. Which one is saltier? Koikuchi or Usukuchi? The answer is Usukuchi. Before telling you the reason, I'll briefly explain the process of making soy sauce. Generally, soy sauce is made from soybeans, wheat, salt, malt, and so on. And the mixture of them is fermented. Then it's aged for appropriate time. The period of aging is from 3 months, 2 years, and more. Actually, this process is very complex, and I can't explain this traditional and sensitive work completely at the moment. I need to learn about soy sauce more. The advantage of Usukuchi is beautiful pale color. So it brings out the color of the ingredients, especially vegetable, egg, and soup. If the taste of Usukuchi is thin, we have to add Usukuchi to dishes so much. Usukuchi is pale color exactly, but if we add Usukuchi too much, it adds brown color to dishes. That's why the taste of it is saltier. We don't need to add Usukuchi so much. Thanks to saltiness, we can keep the beautiful color of the ingredients, and Usukuchi brings out the flavor of the ingredients. I often use Usukuchi to make ohitashi, chawanmushi, and clear soup. There is one more trick to make nice pale color. The period of aging is shorter than Koikuchi, which also adds sensitive flavor to Usukuchi. The dishes which are seasoned with Usukuchi have sensitive pure flavor of the ingredients. Next, I'll explain about Koikuchi. The saltiness of Koikuchi is milder than Usukuchi. But the flavor of Koikuchi is more complex than Usukuchi. Why do you think the flavor of Koikuchi is more complex? The answer is that the period of aging is usually longer than Usukuchi. I think this phenomenon applies to red wine as well. The flavor of well-aged red wine is complex and attractive. This complex flavor is helpful for skimming off the smell of fish and meat. Moreover, koikuchi increases the flavor of dish. I usually use koikuchi to make teriyaki, ginger pork, and yaki onigiri. The dishes made from koikuchi go well with sticky rice. Next, I'll talk about the production volume of koikuchi and usukuchi. I just said koikuchi is the most popular soy sauce in Japan. Actually, koikuchi is produced much more than usukuchi. How much do you think koikuchi is produced in all soy sauce? 3, 2, 1. The answer is more than 80%, so almost soy sauce is koikuchi. Next, I'll introduce famous production area of koikuchi. It is Chiba Prefecture. Do you know Chiba Prefecture? Chiba Prefecture is in Kanto region. Chiba is next to Tokyo. This is Chiba. Narita International Airport is here. And the famous production cities of soy sauce are Noda City and Chose City. They are huge soy sauce factories. That's why about 37% of soy sauce, mainly koikuchi, is produced in Chiba. Next, I'll introduce famous production area of usukuchi. It's Hyogo Prefecture. Do you know Hyogo Prefecture? Hyogo Prefecture is in Kansai region. Hyogo is next to Osaka. This is Hyogo. There is Himeji Castle in Hyogo. And Tatsuno City is famous for usukuchi. Hyogo is also a big production area of soy sauce. About 15% of soy sauce is produced in Hyogo. Although some people might notice, over 50% of soy sauce is produced in these two prefectures, Chiba and Hyogo. But this traditional seasoning, soy sauce, is made throughout Japan. Because long years ago, there was no means of transportation to carry soy sauce throughout Japan. So the taste of soy sauce is different from regions. Some people like salty taste of soy sauce, and other people like sweet taste, or use both soy sauces. It's really interesting for me. In the future, I'd like to make videos about soy sauce much more interesting, informative, and enjoyable. Thank you. Today I explained about soy sauce. Did you enjoy? If you have any questions, please ask me. I hope you enjoy Japanese meal more. Thank you for watching to the end. I'm looking forward to seeing you next time. Have a nice day. See you later.